How to fix WhatsApp couldn't connect to camera. Firstly, restart your phone. Restarting clears temporary glitches that block the camera. If you have multiple apps running in the background, then close all. Apps like Instagram, Snapchat, or TikTok may block the camera. Also, check the camera permission. Also, check camera permission for WhatsApp. Open settings on your device and go to apps. Inside apps, look for the app WhatsApp. Go to the search bar and type in WhatsApp. Scroll down and select the option Storage. Inside Storage, click on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. Once you have done that, then go back again and select the option Permission at the top. Make sure that camera is in the Allowed section. Click on Camera and select Allow only using the app. Make sure to test cameras in other apps. Open the default camera on your device or any other apps such as TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram to see if the camera is working or not. If the camera is working perfectly fine on other apps, then the problem might be with the WhatsApp app itself. In that case, you can try to reinstall the WhatsApp app. Before reinstalling, make sure to back up your data. That's all for today. Thank you.